We are starting math. Tomorrow we have a math test. So depending on how long the test takes will be depending on whether we do any other work. So if there is no math tomorrow, that is because we are doing the test. So I would suggest you all do your math test tomorrow as well. All right, so we are going to practice our division with our lovely large division cards. We haven't done these yet.
Oh, it's showing the number.
Can you see them in the back?
Yes.
They're really nice and big. I love them.
You can see the answer.
Can you? That's really good. All right.
12. 11.
Well, okay. Let me hold it up so everyone can see them. You guys are so fast.
10. No, don't skip it. 9.
These are easy. We're going to start easy and work our way up. They're all the ones.
12.
Really want to. We're sticking together.
11. 10. 9.
You guys are so smart.
8.
I like how you're all in unison too. Did you all practice this all together when you were outside?
7. I just saw the answer. 6. 5. 4.
3, 2, 1, blast off!
No, this off. 7.
Okay, we are not going to say the answer until I hold it up, okay? Because the people in the back don't have a chance to see it, okay? Just because you see it, you can wait till I hold it up.
8. 7. 8.
When I hold it up.
7. 6. 5.
These are too easy. I'm digging in the middle of the box. Okay, smarty pants. Pantses.
I have red pants on.
All right.
6. 5. 4. 3. 16.
These are all need to be mixed up, and 10s are easy too.
12.
These are still not mixed up. We need to work on this because they're all in one big clump.
They're against you. 1.
Oh, this is hard. You ready? Ooh, I don't know if you're going to get this one.
0. 12. Way too small.
I think you all know your division quite well.
Way too small.
Quite well. They're sticking together. That's part of the problem, too.
Maybe they're just telling us the answers.
Can you see the answers?
Yeah. No.
You can?
But when you flip it, we saw the answer. Like when you when you pick them up, we see the answer. Like when you do this, you see the answer. You can see
when you pick it up.
Like when you do it, you see the answer. You can see through it. 9.
Now you can't because I have
10. We still see it.
10.
8.
I was going to say, that's not right.
10. 11.
that was correct. I'm trying to see what I'm trying to do.
2.
Now you can't see it, right? The answer?
You can see a little. Wait, no, actually, you can't see it.
If I hold it like that, you can't see the answer?
2.
Trying to do it in a way that I can. This one's really hard.
1.
Apparently it is.
12. 9. 6.
8. I had to make sure I was holding up the right one.
7. 6. 11.
What is the answer?
11.
Oh, yes, that's correct. Had a lot of cards on the floor.
Oh my.
Oh my, is right.
Oh my. 5.
What is the answer?
5.
5.
6. 4.
What is the answer?
4.
4 is correct.
3.
2 is correct. All right, I'm going to spend some time shuffling these because, whoops, they're like all in order, so it's too easy. But I'm impressed. I think you all know your division better than your multiplication, which is interesting to me. So, tells me you need to focus on this. Because on the quiz, again, the majority of things you got wrong were your basic multiplication facts. Okay, so highly recommend you all practicing those tonight. I'm not going to give you homework, but you do need to take your math book home and look over the work that we've been doing. And again, multiplication, multiplication, multiplication. All right, work on those facts and you should do fine. All right, I'm just going to get these out of the way and then we're going to start. So turn to lesson 60 in your book. Lesson 60. Lesson 60. All right. Story problems. Who likes story problems? So, the key to story problems is really paying attention to the words. That is how you can figure out if it's kind of like a puzzle. Is it a multiplication? Is it division? Is it addition or is it subtraction? Sam, please put your math down. So let's work on the top in the box. Story problems. Find the facts, find the question. Decide how to use the facts to answer the question. Look for the clue words in the problem. Not all problems have them. This one does. So Natalie has 5 pencils and Nathan has 3 pencils. How many pencils do they have in all? What is the clue in that story problem? Olivia. Yes, very good. What is that telling you to do with this particular story problem? Are you going to add, subtract, multiply, or divide? Grayson?
Add.
Yes. So what are you going to add together? Christian?
5 plus 3 equals 8.
Beautiful. All right, let's move to 1. Solve the story problem. There are 18 states that border the Atlantic Ocean and 5 states that border the Pacific Ocean. How many states in all have an ocean border? Again, what is your clue? Words that is telling you what to do with this story problem. Look at the story problem. What is giving you, what words are giving you the clue as to how to proceed? Emma.
How many states in all have an ocean border?
So what is the clue? What words are telling you in that sentence? You are correct. That is the sentence that we're focusing on. But what is the clue that's telling you to add, subtract, multiply, or divide? Yes, in all. So friends, if you see the word in all, any story problem, that is telling you to add because you need to add them all together. All right. There are 13 states that border Canada. There are 4 states that border Mexico. How many states in all share a border with these foreign countries? So again, we have the word what? The words in all that is telling you to do what? Jonathan?
Add.
Yes. So what is your, we did go over, we're talking about in all. And number 1, what is the mathematical equation for the first one? We decided it was addition, but what does the fact look like? Christian?
18 plus 5 equals 23.
Beautiful. What about letter B? What is that story, or that equation going to look like? Cole?
13 plus 4 equals 17.
Beautiful. All right. Good job. So remember, with story problems, it's kind of a riddle. You have to solve the riddle to know what to do. We will be working on more story problems throughout the year. Have marker in hand if you would like to work on these problems. Will there be this on the test? Probably. So work along in your book and pay attention to what is going on. These are all important math facts that we have been working on for quite a while. Winsheen and Jonathan, you all have an opportunity to get up here, so no worries. Very good. Can you all see that what Jonathan did?
No.
I'm just going to copy over his with my marker. There. Very good. Any questions about, so with this one, 1 times 3 is 3. So, then you have 5 minus 3 is what? What is 5 minus 3? 2. So then you take down the 7, and the 2 turns into what? 27. How many, and then you subtract 27, and you get a 0. I mean, how many times does 9, sorry, go into, how many, okay, Lisa, speak. 3 times 9 is what? Tessa? 27. So then we subtract 27 and we get a 0, and then check. 19 times 3 is 57. Remember, friends, when you are writing your check, these numbers should all be in your check, correct? Can you all see this one?
Yeah.
Okay, so the pink shows up. So what is 1 times 2?
1. 2. No, 1. 2.
1 times 2?
2.
Multiplication facts, friends. All right, I need to move my little iPad. Sorry. All right, so 1 times 2 is 2. So you subtract 2 from 3, which is 3 minus 2 is
1.
and you take down the 4, so you get 14. How many times does 2, what times 7 is, what is 7 times 2?
14.
Minus 14. 0. And then she has to check. So friends, the key to division is you keep bringing down. These 3 does not equally go into 5. 2 does not evenly go into 3. So then you have to figure out, what is the closest I can get? Well, 1 times 3. Because 2 times 3 is what? 6. All right. Any questions? Boy. Friends, pencils should be sharpened before class time. That is why. It is loud. All right. Oh, now we're going to work on our mystery numbers or letters. Because you guys don't like those at all. Well, you have to follow the steps. So it is a mystery. Oops. So you solve which side of the mystery first? The side that? Yes. All right. M and Christian. So take your time. We have the mystery letter. So what side are you going to choose first? Good. Good. Good job. So what is the mystery letter?
32.
Mm-hmm. take, remember you go back to the initial 9 times 4, correct? Yep, so bring that down. You've got that correct. 32 plus 4. Remember, this is 4. This is plus because we go back to the original. That's key. When you are solving it, you go back to our original functions. Very good. Nicely done. Good job, Em. Can you all see that?
No.
I'm just copying over her work. That one is not quite right. Let me get M's up here. All right, so you do opposite, which takes this out. You take subtract 4 over here, because we have 9 times 4 is 36. You subtract the 36 minus 4 is 32. 32 is our mystery letter. So then you go back up to the original equations. So we take this now as 32 plus 4 equals 36. 9 times 4 equals 36. They both check out. All right. Just trying to decide what you did. So, Christian, come back up here. You were correct. You did the opposite. So we are plussing, adding. Oh, this is where you went wrong. What is 55 divided by 5?
11.
What did you put? Yes. I was like, where is the mystery? There we go. So now solve it. There you go. Perfect. Here, let's get rid of all of this. So now you're going to go back up to the original, and 23 minus 12. There, beautiful. What is 55 divided by 5? It's going to get that your nemesis right now. Beautiful. And we have to check off our 11s. Good job, Christian. All right, any questions? Good job. So with these, with math in general, the harder the equations, you're going to have multiple steps. So it is so crucial to really pay attention to one or each step, because what happens if you miss one step? What's going to happen to the whole answer? Yeah. So good checking, or good coming back and fixing that, Christian. Bravo. All right. So let us, we got multiplication facts. I want you to work on, oh gosh, we are running out of time already, friends. I want you to do the multiplication facts on and 6. Do those, and I'm going to walk around and check your answers, and then we're going to have to finish already. Math goes so fast. All right, 6. Do 6. Write the product. Quickly. You should go quick. Multiplication, 6. That's what you're working on. I want to see the answers to that. We are working on 6. We are working on 6. And if you, oh wow, you got it all done. So you can finish working on the rest of the page if you have time before everyone is completed. A lot of this is, all of this is review. All right, that completes our math.